So as here you can see, this is the exercise 5.3, question number 3. In an AP, A is given, D is given, AN is 50. We have to find N and SN. So how we will do the process? So here N is question mark, so let us write. And here Sn is also question mark. So let us apply the formula, that is An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Let us substitute all these value over here. So here we will write 50. A is of 5. N minus 1 we are not knowing, and difference of 3. Here we will do 50 minus 5, so it will become 45, and that is equals to N minus 1 into 3. Let us take 3 down. So now it will become 3 ones are 3 and 1 will remain, so it will make 15. 3 5s are 15. So here we having n minus 1 is equals to 15. So n we are getting as 16. So here we got our n. Here we have to find Sn. So we will write the formula, that what is the formula of Sn. So that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we will find S16, that will become 16 by 2 into 2a. So here value of a is 5, and here n minus 1 means 15 into d, that is 3. So let us reduce it, so it will become 8. 5 2s are 10 and 15 3s are 45 plus 10. So here we are getting 55 into 8. So here S16 we got as 440. So this is the concept that we learn in class. I hope you understood. So here you have to follow this method and do the rest. So as here you can see, this is A is equals to 7, and here A13 is given as 35. So we not got the idea related D, so that is question mark, and here you have to find S13. So how we will do the process? So watch it over here. So first here we can apply the formula, that is A plus AN हम यहाँ use कर सकते हैं, because Sn having one equation. So Sn having one equation as n by 2 into A plus AN. So there what we will take? Here n we will take as 13. So here as 13 is equals to 13 by 2 into A plus A13. Now whatever values you can see over there, you can substitute. S13 हमें नहीं पता है, वही हम फाइंड कर रहे हैं. So here will be 13 by 2. A we having 7 and that is 35. So let us add it. So what we are getting? 42 we are getting. So here if we are reducing it, what we will get? So here we will get 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are, means we got 13 into 21. Now let us simplify it. So let us multiply it. So here we will get 273. That is the answer of S13. So, but the one question arise over here, we have not found D. So here we will find D by using AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here AN we will take as, means A13 we having. So here we will take A13, that is equals to A plus 12D. So here A13 we will take as 35. A we having as 7. 12 as it is, and difference we are not knowing. Here we will subtract 35. So if it is in this form, let us solve it. So here we will get 28 by 12, and that is equals to D. Let us solve it. 7 4s are and 4 3s are. So we will reduce it. So here D we are getting as 7 upon 3. So this is the complete answer of that, what we have found. So as here you can see the question, the whole solution of it. So you can write it from this video. Here some small thing that you have to remember. This is the first one if you want to do, and this you can try in second method. As here you can see, this is the third question. In that question, a is equals to 37 is given, d is 3, a is question mark, and we have to find as 12. That is also question mark. So here what we will do, we having no idea, we will use an formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in that, on the place of an we having a 12, a we not having, so here we will write it is 12, because 12 no, so it is 12 minus 1 into difference of 3. So here we will get a12 is equals to a plus 11 into 3. Here I will substitute the value, that is 37, and this is equals to a plus 33. Let us shift this 33 over there, so it will be subtracted. 37 में से 33 subtract करेंगे, so we are getting answer as 4. So this is our A. We got A. First question we have solved. Second question they have asked that we have to find S12. So Sn का इक्वेशन लगाएंगे. Sn इज इक्वल्स टू, यहाँ पे a प्लस ए एन से भी हम कर सकते हैं क्योंकि हमें 12 ही ढूंढना है और यहाँ a12 दिया है. So here Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. We will write that formula. So in Sn we will write that 12, and it is 12 by 2 a, and a plus what I will write over there, a12. For your information I am writing this step. So here we will write that it is 12 by 2, a is given 4 that we just found, and plus that 12, a12 that is given as 37. So here we will reduce, it is 6 to the, so here 6 is remain. Add this and whatever answer we are getting, that is 41 into 6 we will get so here as 12 we will get as 246. So this is the concept. I hope you understood.